Hey everybody, this is a yoga for relaxation video. Let me know after you do it how you are feeling compared to how you felt when you started. Let's get started. Go ahead and get on your hands and knees. Line the hands up under the shoulders, knees under the hips. We're going to move through some cat-cow. Drop the chin down to the chest. Roll your hips in. Inhale, lift the head, lift the hips. Let the belly be soft. Roll back in on your exhale. Hips come as far forward as you can. Inhale, lift the head, lift the hips. Chest comes forward. Again, just rolling in, rolling the hips. Drop the head down, chin to chest. Inhale, come back up. Chest comes forward. And one more time. Roll the hips in, and then inhale, lift the head, lift the hips. Let the belly be soft. Stretch the right leg out back behind you, tuck the toes under, reach through the heel. Cross it over your left foot and then look back at that right foot. Feel a deep stretch in the right side body. Just breathe. Good job. Bring it back to center. And then stretch it out to the right side. Really press into the pinky toe side. Come down onto your forearms. Lift the left arm up. Stretch it out underneath your body. Walk the right foot up if you need to. Activate your core. Reach that left hand to the right calf. Adjusting your foot if needed. Good. Come back up onto your hands. And then bring your body back to center. Stretch the left leg out back behind you. Tuck the toes under. Reach through the heel. Cross the left leg over your right leg and look back at that left foot. Feel a deep stretch in the left side body. Good. Come back to center. Now bring that left leg out to the side. Try to keep it in line with the right leg. Press into the pinky toe side, lifting up the arch on that left leg. Come down onto your forearms. Keep that core active. Lift the right arm up. Stretch it out, reaching towards that left calf. Walk that left foot forward if you need to. Just relax and release into the pose. Nice work. Come back to your hands and knees. When you're ready, tuck your toes under. Bring the hips up. Shoulders down. Make your way to down dog. Just pedal the feet. Shake your head. Pull the belly button in towards the spine. Press the shoulders down towards the floor. Make your way to plank. Tuck the tailbone under, shoulders over the wrists. Slowly lower yourself down. Inhale, come up. Make your way to upward facing dog. Try to press your heart center forward. Let your head fall back. Press all 10 toenails into the mat. Tuck the toes under. Go back to downward facing dog. Walk it out. Bend one leg as you straighten the other. Lift the right leg up. Squeeze that leg into the chest. Step it forward, making your way into a high lunge on the right side. Press that left heel back. Leave the left hand on the mat. Just lift the right arm up. Going into a twist. Stay with your breath. Bring that left knee to the ground. Lift your body up. Place your hands on that right knee. Sink your hips to the floor. And then just make your way into half splits. Straighten the right leg. Bring the foot back. Go back to downward facing dog. Hips up. Shoulders down. Lift the left leg up. Squeeze that leg into the chest, step the left foot forward. Make your way into a high lunge on the left side. Leave the right hand on the floor, lift the left arm up. Bringing the right knee to the floor, just bring your hands to that left knee. Sink the hips down to the ground. And then straighten that left leg. Half splits on this side. Pulling the hips back. Come back to your hands and knees. Tuck the toes under. Go back to downward facing dog. Hips up, shoulders down. Let the head hang heavy. Press into the fleshy part of your thumb and first finger. Make your way to plank. Keep that core active. Tuck the tailbone under. Slowly hug your elbows into your sides as you lower yourself down. Toes point back behind you. Hands under your shoulders. Slowly lift up to cobra. Lower yourself back down. Inhale, come up again. Pressing the tailbone into the floor. Opening up the chest. This time, lift yourself up. Press back into child's pose. Arms are stretched out in front of you. Hips come back to the heels. Just check in with your breath. Check in with your body. Inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the nose. Come down onto your belly. Stretch your legs out back behind you. And then bend both legs. Squeeze them into your buttocks. Stretch both legs out. Then just grab the right foot. Pull it in to your hips. Switch sides. Grab that left leg. The left foot. Release. Make a triangle with your fingers. Bring that right leg up and out into the side. Go into half frog. Let the left leg be stretched out. Just release that right hip into the floor. Stay with your breathing. Good. Switch sides. Stretch the right leg out. Bring the left leg out to the side. Just release into the pose on your exhale. And stretch back out on the mat. Roll over onto your back. Squeeze the left leg into your chest, stretch the right leg out. And then squeeze the right leg in, stretch the left leg out. Bring both feet to the floor. Walk them in as close to your hips as you can. We're going to do the bridge pose. Arms stretched along the sides, lift the hips up. Slowly lower them back down. Inhale, lift the hips. Slowly lower them back down. Pressing the knees forward. And then slowly just squeeze your knees into your chest. Rock from side to side if that feels good. Slowly roll onto your side, come to a seated position. Thanks for joining me today, guys. I hope you love this video. If you like this shirt, go ahead, check out the link in the description. Until next time, may love and light be yours. Namaste.